You're thinking about buying car insurance and you're trying to figure out how much money it's going to cost you. Well, it's very simple. The more premium, the more coverage. My name is James with the Resurgence Group. We're a full-service insurance agency, and we specialize in auto insurance. A lot of times people will come to us and they'll say, this is how much I can spend. Get me as much insurance as you could possibly get for that amount. And that's what we'll do. You've got what's called a rate calculator, and it's going to give you specific premiums for each limit. So you've got bodily injury, that's going to be a certain amount of premium. PIP, which is personal injury protection, property damage, uninsured motorists, comp and collision. Depending on the type of vehicle and how much money you have to spend each month, you'll design a policy that'll fit your budget. So again, call your agent or call up a company and let them design the policy around the budget, and this way it won't break you when it comes to driving that car. My name is James with the Resurgence Group, full-service insurance agency, and we strongly suggest that you design a policy that you can afford. This way, you, the car, and the policy stay on the books.